Well, Drew Greenblatt is the owner of Marlin Steel in Baltimore and a longtime supporter of President Trump's tariffs. He says that levies helped level the playing field for American businesses.
I was very disappointed. It's a setback for the American middle class. It's a setback for poor people in America that had a chance to climb into the middle class with great manufacturing jobs. It's very disappointing, the Supreme Court ruling.
You know, we heard there, and this is an estimate from the Tax Foundation, which is nonpartisan, that the tariffs cost American households $1,000 last year. It is expected to be more in 2026, depending, of course, on how these tariffs shake out. Is that, you think, then a price that you're willing to pay, or the middle class would be willing to pay for potentially better jobs in the future?
So U.S. manufacturing for decades has been competing with countries like China, where they subsidize the steel, they subsidize the labor, they use labor that was possibly in jails, they despoil the environment, they debase their currency, they use state-owned enterprises to compete with American manufacturing companies. And that's wildly unfair. And we have to have a level playing field, and tariff policy makes it fair for American factories. And then once it's fair, we can hire locals. We could bring poor people into manufacturing, pay them extraordinary wages, wonderful health insurance, match their 401ks, create great careers for them.